Hi guys, it is me Taco Pug 101 back for another great video, and today we're cooking in the kitchen. So let's go, boys. Hi guys, it is me, and today we are cooking tortillas. So, chef here, we're gonna cook some tortillas. So let's go on to the ingredients. Flour. You're gonna need flour first for these tortillas. Next, you're gonna need a measuring cup filled with water. Lastly, you're gonna need a half cup measuring thing. Then a pan, then an oil, salt, bam. A flipper, thingy-mabob, spatula, and lastly, a fork. So those are all the ingredients you should have. Now, let's get cooking. Okay, first thing you want to do is get yourself half a cup of water, which I've already done. Then, get half a cup of flour. Bam! Half a cup of flour. Then take the flour and add it into it. Nice. Then, optional if you want to, add salt. What's that? Oh, no. It's just chemicals combining. Next, you want to get some salt. I'm going to change the camera view for a second because I'm going to salt bae. Because you only need to add a pinch, and that's optional. So, add a pinch of salt. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so fun. Then, what you're going to want to do is take a fork or some utility object, not knife. I should have a butter knife. Doesn't matter. I used a fork. You want to mix the ingredients nicely up. Now you can use any flour. I sound like a chef because I am a chef. Respect the chef. This is my quarters and I'm cooking. So here we go. Now you want to get a dough-like substance, like this, like pancake dough-like stuff. But you also want to make it easy to come in. So if it's like too thick, you want to add some water. Oh, me so chef here. I need some more water here. Now this looking much better. Less thick. Doesn't matter. We got it. Next, what you want to do is you want to add the oil to the pan. You can use butter, I guess. I have oil frying pan spray, so that's what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna spray it and then I'll be back. So this is what your pan should be looking like and what the dough should be looking like. Nice and easy. And then what I normally like to do is set the temperature to here. You probably can't see it, but there's like a line right there. So when your pan is nice and hot now, you want to add half since I want to make 2. So let's go. done. So my tortilla is done, and you just saw that cool animation where it went explosions. I'm gonna make another one on footage. Perfectly circular. Perfect. Mind blown. Bam. 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 So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna enjoy these delicious tortillas. Get away. Bye.